Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right.
Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. In today's video, I will be doing a makeover of our guest bedroom. Since we shifted to this house to until now, its decor has remained the same. We had kept it simple and minimal. Moreover, in the lockdown, the guest room did turn into a storage area, and in fact, I converted one of its closet as linen closet. Please do see the video if you have not seen it earlier. The link is mentioned in the description box. Since the restriction on movement is relaxed now, we do expect guests. I thought pre-Diwali is the right time to do a makeover of this room to pamper our guest. I couldn't resist and planned to change its decor today. The theme is Bohemian or Boho with Indian flavor. Boho style means unconventional and unusual style. Bohemian design thinks outside the box. It's random, eclectic, and devoid of structure and order. That often results in a room that is bright, colorful, and patterned with earthy and rustic decor items. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Whenever we plan to do any makeover, it is recommended to remove the existing decoration first, so that we don't necessarily think on the same decoration pattern. Empty walls and surroundings present better clarity in terms of space. For Diwali, I plan to temporarily remove some of the furniture like side table and dresser. This is to generate more space for the decoration, and hopefully it should be aesthetically more appealing to the guest. Since I had the theme in my mind, I gathered the stuff accordingly. Now that the room is empty, it helps me to visualize and plan the space with much ease. Let me start with the wall decoration first. For boho decor, one does not need to follow any specific style. I plan to use this beautiful braided rug to decorate the main wall. To hang it easily, I have made some loops at the back side with the help of small rope. Wow, it's looking beautiful. On the right wall, I have placed this set of 3 wall plates with beautiful flower pattern. Boho decor looks incomplete without macrame articles. So on the left side, just after the entrance, I have placed this macrame wall shelf which looks so elegant. To decorate it further, I have placed this set of wooden miniature pots which I bought from a local wooden and antique furniture shop. Shelf and pots combination looks great. We have a mirror here and will use it as it is. These simple steps complete my wall decor. To spice up the Indian rustic flavor, I have positioned an antique wooden side table here. It looks beautiful and has small storage as well. Further, I have placed these wooden handmade chowkis or stools. I got this from local market, but if needed, one can get online as well. Next, I have placed a cane planter with ZZ plant. ZZ plant is a low maintenance indoor plant and easy to grow. The other corner is decorated with this beautiful rubber plant with jute planter. Can you believe I had started with just a single small rubber plant at my home, and now I have 2 more from the same plant. The original plant is pretty big now. Corners and walls are decorated. Let's move to the furnishing. Starting with bed. We got a new Emma mattress for this bed. The old mattress along with the reusable items from kitchen decluttering that was done last week will be utilized in our other home. Emma mattress is the most awarded mattress in the world. Mattress was delivered in this concealed box neatly packed. Mattress comes with 11 years warranty and 100 days trial. The mattress is vacuum sealed, and as soon as I made a cut on its plastic sheet, it started inflating and became a proper big mattress. While sleeping, it gives a good back support and spine alignment. It is firm and highly durable with zero motion transfer. It has a breathable and soft zipper cover which can be washed easily at home. If you're looking for a perfect mattress, check out Emma for free and first free delivery. They are giving special 55% Diwali discount on their website, and Simplify Your Space viewers can get additional 5% discount by applying the coupon code EmmaAshu. Please find all the details in the description box. Usually I prefer light tone color bed sheets, but as we're decorating it for Diwali, I've used this blue color bed sheet which has a medium soothing shade. To complement the style, I have placed two small pillows on which beautiful elephants are made with embroidery and sequence work. I have placed these embroidered multicolor cushions with beautiful flower pattern on the stools as well. To decorate this area a little more, I have added this multicolor dream catcher which is going well with the theme, and overall it is looking wow. I've also placed this multicolor rug next to the bed, and fortunately its colors are complementing the bedsheet well. Almost the same colors. We have a blind on this window and that stays there as such. And we are done with the furnishing.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's much.
On this side, we have a TV table which we were using as a working desk during lockdown. On the top shelf, I have placed these two blue colored ethnic looking pots. To decorate the table, I have placed a beautiful Buddha painting in the center. I have placed these two beautiful jars with dry fruits and nuts for guests to help themselves. This cane basket with dry aromatic petals is kept in the front. It helps to maintain a pleasing and soothing fragrance in the room. And that's it, we are done with the makeover. I think it is looking beautiful.
Lightning strikes by my window. It's my chest right in the morning.
Boho theme with Indian touch is making it so lively.
Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
So this was the day look, and now let me show you its night look. Oh my god, it's looking electrifying. I'm so tempted to shift to this room now. So this is how I have done the makeover. I'm really happy with this. What about you? Do let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. To subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.